Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look at the Simplex Ultra metal detector. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing this unboxing with you so you can see what you get for your money. Now this is the Simplex Ultra, comes with a 3-year warranty. There are 3 different versions of the Ultra available, or should say 3 different bundles available. There's this one here, which just comes with the metal detector and a cap. There's also a BT version, and then there's also a WHP version, which also comes with some Bluetooth low latency headphones. So if you want a complete bundle, you want to go for the WHP version. This is what the front of the box looks like. And if we tip it up on this end here, we can open this up and take a look for the first time. So here you're seeing the box contents, really nicely presented. We have got the cap, which is nice. It's got Nokta on the side, which is the manufacturer name, and Simplex on the front there. Then we also get this bag with some accessories in, a bag within a bag, and here we have got a little strap. Let's have a look inside here. So we've got a Velcro strap included here. We've also got some sort of connector here as well. This is to connect obviously the bottom part of the handle to the top part. And then we've also got a charging cable. This end here goes into the detector, and then this end here goes into USB. We've also got some paperwork, one about the metal detecting code of ethics, and also a user manual. Now this user manual is really nice, full colour printed manual. Tells you how to attach everything together, how to use the handset control, battery information, and also the correct way for metal detecting. So real complete guide. Excellent. Love the fact we got a full printed guide in there. And then we've got the components we need for the detector itself. This is carbon fibre. That is very, very nice quality. Wow. And super lightweight as well. So not only is this going to be strong, but it's going to be very, very lightweight. Wow, this is so light as well. We've got a really nice piece here where you're going to get support with your sort of upper arm. Made of plastic primarily, but really nice quality. This is where you're going to connect the charge cable. Oh no, that's going to go to the coil, sorry. And this is going to go to your headphones. But note here, this also is the same colour as that charging cable. So I'd assume that you charge off of the same port there. Really nice looking display and controls. Oh, nice feeling buttons as well. And these have got some sort of weatherproofing over the top, because of course you can use this in sort of wet conditions. Really nice, looks very, very robust and really well made. And here we have the coil that's included. Really very, very nice. Nice cable that obviously goes up the to the main control panel. Very, very nice coil this. Just take a look at the underside. This is really going to do the job. This is a superb value metal detector. All the components included to really get you up and running, and some great build quality and packed full of features. This is the Nokta Simplex Ultra. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.